first song that I can really remember is Rhinestone Cowboy by Glenn Campbell. I loved that song. I'm told I sang it all the time when I was on the potty, according to my mother, and I just loved that song. That's one of the earliest songs I can remember. When I was young, probably fourth grade, I did take piano lessons for a couple of months, but I just remember that was way too daunting for a young lad like myself, and so I didn't stick with it. I didn't, in fact, I never played an instrument again until I was in my early 20s. My granddad was a big influence on me early on with music. He always was playing some sort of instrument, mainly the organ. He always played the organ, and I have so many fond memories of sitting around and watching him play at family gatherings and whatnot. And so, yeah, I enjoyed that. My father was a musician. So I think some of that is DNA, in your genes. I think it kind of can come down, but some of us tap into it and some of us don't. So for me, everything started probably, I was in my early 20s. I was sitting in my car and I'm listening to some blues on the radio. And I'll never forget it because the car had those electric seat belts, that come over, and I was playing air guitar on it, and I had decided that moment, I can still see it, I'm gonna learn to play guitar. I'm gonna do it. Band names. Let's see, my first band was Pendleton Blues Club. Second band name was Dogleg Left, because we all like to golf. And then lastly, the band that I was in was Big Steve and the Trainwreck. And of course, I wasn't Big Steve, but. I was never a good teacher of music. I failed at that. My kids, I briefly tried to get all three of them into it, but I was never a good teacher, mainly because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. Although my fingers are too soft to play anymore, and I don't have the patience to be in a band, I will always cherish those memories of playing with music with those guys and all the things that I learned. And yeah, I loved it. I may not play anymore, but I still love having my instruments around and looking back and enjoying those times I had.